So in this video, I'm going to discuss about some basics of R programming. So introduction to R programming, that is I'm going to discuss. Okay. So my agenda of this video is why do we need analytics? Okay. So that is my first question. And second question is what is business analytics? And third one is why we are going for R programming, and from this we are going to discuss about uh, working rule in R. Okay, variables in R, data operator, data types, flow control, and plotting a graph in R. And after that, I will discuss about some statistical tool in using R. Okay, that is my agenda of this video. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the basic things in R. Okay. So first question is why do we need analytics? Okay. So data analytics helps organizations. Okay. So for identifying the data. Okay. So to understand the data, that is the basic thing. So first one is cost reduction, better marketing, product analysis, organization analysis, faster, and to make some decisions, better decisions, you are using data analytics. Okay. So the next question is business analytics. So we are having too much of data in our hands. Okay. So in each and every business we are having data. Okay. But organizing the data and making decision with the data is hard, right? So for that purpose, we are uh, studying about business analytics. Okay. So in business analytics, we will be organizing the data. Okay. Then, after organizing the data, with this data, we are going to make some decisions. Okay. That is going to be done in business analytics. Okay. So in the next one, visualizing the data is very important. So because by seeing random numbers, okay, random data, we are not able to understand the data. But while plotting some graph or pie chart or a bar chart for that particular data, we can understand the data. That is the key concept behind the data visualization. Okay. So next one is we are having so many tools to visualizing the data. So, but here we are going to use R. So the next question is why we are going to use R, right? So for that, I'm having some answers. Right? So programming and statistical language. Okay, that is why we are dependent on R. Okay, so next one is data analysis and visualization. Pretty easy. That is a third point. Okay, it is simple and easy to learn, and most important thing is it is open source. Okay, so this software is open source. We can download from website for free, and we can install and we can use. Okay, for that purpose we are going for R. So how to install R? So we need to go for this website and look at this. Here we can download R for Linux and Mac OS and also for Windows. Okay, so from that you can download and you can install the R for better user-friendly usage. We are going to install R Studio. Okay, so R Studio you can use, you can download from this website. Here it is, the download link is given. Here also you can install this R Studio. Okay, after that we will go into that R Studio and we will discuss so many things on R Studio later. Okay, so before that we should know some prelims. Okay, so what are the prelims which we need to know is first thing is variable, second thing is data operator, data types, and selection of statements and loop. These are the things which we need to know. Okay, so in this video I will discuss about variables and operators, data operators. If possible, I will move on to data types also. Okay, so first variables in R. So in every programming languages assigning a variable or assigning some numbers or some characters in another variable, which is most important thing. So here assigning variable, assigning notations, are three types of notations are given here. Okay, so first notation is equal to, and next notation is less than, hyphen. Okay, so or otherwise hyphen, greater than. These are the three notations. All the notations are same here. So here in the first thing, x, that this 25, this 25 is stored in x. Okay, therefore we are assigning this 25 in x. Okay, so if you are giving a statement like this 25 will assign in x. Likewise, here I am declaring y less than hyphen. I'm giving some word in between quotes. Okay, hello. This automatically it is understood that this is character, and it will assign this character in this variable y. Here I am using some logical statement, true. Okay, so and I am assuming this true in b. Okay, so my variable is in the right hand side of this notation. Okay, so then it automatically understood that true is assigned in b. Okay, this is about variables and assigning operators. So next one is data operators. Okay, so data operators, we are having some operator structures. Okay, arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operators, logical operators, and special operators. Okay, so here before moving on to operators, okay, so we will think about data types. Okay, so which we need to know. So data types are vectors, list, matrix, arrays, factors, and data frames. These are different types of data types. Okay, so here also we will discuss about each and everything. Okay, so first one is a vector. In vector we are using logical statements. Logical statements which we know, right? True or false. Numerical numerical terms. Numerical means the numbers. Okay, 5, 3.14, like that it will go on. Integers. So integers should be declared 2l, 34l, 0l. If you are mentioning this l with a numeric, then it automatically understood that it is integer. Okay, likewise complex number, you know, complex number, real number plus complex imaginary term, which will give complex number. And whatever the things which you are going to give in between quotes, it will understood that term as a character. Okay, so next one is data visualization in R. Okay, so data visualization in R. So we are having data visualization. Um, Different types of data visualizations are there. First one is pie chart, bar chart, box plot, histogram, line graph, and scatter plot. Okay, these are different types of um, visualizing some data. Okay, so pie chart, you know, will be a circle and it will be divided. Okay, pie chart are best to use when you are trying to compare parts of a whole. Okay, so this is an example for pie chart. So next one is bar chart, bar graph or bar chart. Okay, so are used to compare things between different groups or track change over some times. Okay, so box plot are used to summarize data for multiple sources and display the result in a single graph. So if you are going for multiple sources, then you can use box plot. Likewise, histogram are used to plot the frequency of score occurrence in a continuous data set. Okay, so and that has been divided into classes. Okay, therefore histogram is used here. Line graph are used to track changes over short or long period of time. Then if you are dealing with time, then you can use line graph. So this slide shows about scatter plots. Okay, so which is used for used to understand one variable is affected by another variable. So for that kind of purpose, we are going to use scatter plot. So thank you for watching my video. So in the next video, we are going to continue with this data types. Okay, so thank you once again.